Bridget Bartlett here with visionmarketinganddesign.com, and today I'm going to show you how to promote a weight loss product, both organic and paid traffic. Yes, you can get Facebook ads approved for a weight loss product, but you have to know digital marketing. You have to know the process, okay? So I'm going to explain that to you with this diagram here. Now, this is more complex than we really need it to be for this purpose, but this is a good diagram to show you the process, okay? So we always want to start from the very beginning with our offer, okay? So we kind of want to work backwards. We need to have an offer that we're promoting. So this page right here would be my True Vision website that they give you as an affiliate of True Vision, okay? And then we need to have an opt-in page, because as you can see with True Vision, there is no opt-in page. There's no place for me to capture that email. All right. So we need to have an opt-in page, but to get people to opt in to our page to find out more, we need to create a lead magnet that people are going to want. And then when we're promoting True Vision, we don't want to promote True Vision, because what's going to happen? You're going to do a Facebook Live and you're going to say True Vision's the best, and then they're going to go Google it and they're not going to purchase from you. So you've just done advertising for probably whoever was running Google ads, okay? So they want to know, especially with weight loss products, because there's so many that don't work, they want to know if it's going to work. So they're going to go Google reviews. So if you have a YouTube channel, definitely do a True Vision Health review, because you're going to get a lot of views, because it's just like that. Or any type of weight loss product, people want to know the review. So you want to promote this on the back end, okay? And you only want to promote your lead magnet on all of these social media. When they opt into your lead magnet that doesn't say anything about True Vision, then you're going to start sending them emails, okay? And it's going to be emails of value based on whatever your lead magnet was, and then you will promote True Vision to them in the emails, okay? So what does that look like? How does that work? I'm going to show you exactly what I did step by step. If you're interested in starting an online business, or maybe just scaling your online business, but you're not really sure how to do that, go ahead and go to visionmarketinganddesign.com, sign up for my free mentorship program. There you'll get access to my 5-day digital marketing bootcamp, where I'll walk you through the steps. You'll be able to join my Facebook group and contact me anytime with questions. Part of the problem when you're learning digital marketing is you have questions and you need those answered because you get stuck. And so that's what I'm there for. That's what I really enjoy doing. So go ahead and go there, visionmarketinganddesign.com, and sign up for my mentorship program. So like I said, we start with the offer here. Now we need a lead magnet. So what is a lead magnet and how do we find it? So this is my lead magnet. This is called a PLR product. And if you Google free PLR products, or you can go to freeplr.bridgetbartlett.com. That's my favorite PLR website. You can download these for free and get the image and all that, and they're yours to use. Because what I'm doing is promoting a weight loss supplement to people who are interested in losing weight. But I can't say that. I can't say anything about losing weight, because that immediately tells Facebook, like, no, we don't want this on here. Okay, so if you try to run paid ads to just this True Vision website, it's immediately going to get blocked. So it's just not going to happen. You have to have a lead magnet. Plus, now think about this, okay? Now, I don't really promote True Vision. I kind of do just to get mine for free, but it's not my main thing, okay? I like to do digital marketing, and this is just one product, all right? So when I'm doing all of my social media content, what I want to do is keto recipes, okay? If I'm promoting a keto cookbook, I want to be cooking keto food. I want to be sharing my recipes all over the place and trying to capture that email. I want to go into the keto groups and I want to say, hey, here's a free keto cookbook that's amazing. I want to create all kinds of keto content. And then when I'm creating that content, I want to say, and hey, if you love this recipe, go ahead and go to my website. You can download my keto cookbook with 60 free keto recipes. So here, they just click this button. Here I'm capturing the email, okay? Now, after they enter their email address, I have an email campaign that will automatically be triggered to start sending them emails, all right? So that's where the follow-up process comes, okay? We know that you need to get exposed 7 to 10 times to a product before you actually make a purchase, especially with something like weight loss supplements. So what a great thing to be able to email them and send them testimonials, more keto recipes. So that's basically what I have set up, okay? So let me show you. After they enter their email address, they're going to go to a thank you page. So this is the thank you page. They can just click here to download their ebook, but if you scroll down here, you see a True Vision ad, okay? So this is the very first exposure to True Vision that I'm giving anyone. So I have this YouTube channel that I'm doing all these keto recipes and everything, and I'm sending them all to my funnel, and this is the very first time they know anything about True Vision. If they click this link here, it goes to my True Vision website. So chances are they're not going to buy that time. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, but that's where the emails come into play, okay? So this is how you can get your ad approved on Facebook. Now I'm actually going to show you my ad account here, and I'm going to show you, this is my ad for the keto cookbook that I just showed you. You can see it's getting a really good cost per click. It's getting $1.19 per lead. So you can see that this is approved, this is working, this is the process. This is how you want to do it. Now, if you click on here and you go to my actual ad, you can see here, this is what the ad actually looks like. Now, again, you do not say, True Vision. You don't say anything about weight loss. When you go to place this ad, you want to choose an audience that is keto related. So you'll choose ketosis or any of those types of keywords that you can choose for their interest if you're posting Facebook ads, okay? So this is the process. It all goes back to this lead magnet. Now this is getting a lot of traffic right now. It's still in the learning phase. So I'm thinking that the lead price is going to go down even further, but this is how you would get your weight loss supplement approved within a Facebook ad. Another thing I wanted to show you about promoting this lead magnet is you can create website pages. Now this is the back end of my sales funnel. I'm still adding pages to it because my goal is to have keto recipes that I'm going to send them. Now, if you click on this here, this is what the recipe is going to look like. So immediately you see here, there's a pop-up, but I'm giving them value, okay? I'm giving them a keto bread recipe. And so they're going to open that email and they're going to click on that. They're going to get used to seeing this. I also have a True Vision video here. Now, if they click here, it goes to the True Vision main website where they can chat with True Vision and they try to sell people on stuff. But also they can get the sample and then they can go to the main website, because a lot of people want to know, okay, well, the sample is this, but how much is the actual 30-day supply? So that's why I put this here. Now, all of these recipes have this on here. So the cool thing is too, that when I am promoting keto on my Facebook page, I don't have to say, hey, check out my keto cookbook. I don't have to just only do that. I can also share the link to this and say, here's a cool recipe for keto bread. I can share that all in the groups and they will approve it because it's a recipe that you're sharing with people. So you can see sharing these recipes in the group, sharing them in your email campaign, promoting that lead magnet on your Facebook page. That's an excellent way to be constantly driving traffic to your offer and True Vision on the back end. No one who goes to your Facebook page should ever know that you promote True Vision. And there's a great reason for that. And I'm going to show you my Facebook page that I promote this on to give you an example. So here is just one of my Facebook pages, but this is actually the Facebook page I created to promote True Vision. I called it Healthy Mind, Body, Spirit because I truly believe that when you're losing weight, it's all about your mind, body, and spirit. It has to be a combination of those three things that you are healing and that you're looking to be healthy so that you can actually make lifelong changes. But if I had called this True Vision Health with Bridget, True Vision would have blocked me already and said you can't create a Facebook page with our name in it. And so I see people doing that a lot. A lot of beginner marketers do that, and that's just not a good idea. And plus, why limit yourself? Why just promote True Vision on this page? Now you can see my banner here is an ad to that lead magnet, that keto cookbook. And then I put my link here so that people can go there and download the cookbook. And so I share recipes on here, and I'm sharing different things. And all of those pages that I showed you, you could even connect your group to this if you had a weight loss group. I definitely say you should always pin your post to the top, just because people are scrolling down. Maybe they don't see the banner, but it's another way to give them that link to download that. And then you just share things that you think are valuable in here. I'm just going to scroll through here. You can see, I'm just sharing different things that people think are valuable. Quotes are a good thing. So now when I'm running my paid ad to this cookbook, I'm going to run it on this page here, and then it's going to help me get traffic to my page. It's going to help me get likes. It'll help me build a relationship with the people who are liking my ad. It also adds some credibility because you can see here I have, almost 2,000 followers on this page. So people just like to see that. I have my picture here. That's an important thing because when I'm sending emails to people, I'm sending them as me. Okay. So I'm continuing to brand myself. So I hope that makes sense to you. I hope you got some value from this. And like I said, please go to visionmarketinganddesign.com. Join my mentorship program. My goal is to help you reach your vision. So I will see you in my next video.